welcome back. So I have a few packages here. They're from Influenster. So let's do a quick unboxing. These are accumulated packages that's been sitting waiting for me to unbox them. Let's start with this one. Is heavy, so I don't know what it is. I already kind of opened them, but I mean unsealed them, but I don't know what's inside. So first one. This is heavy. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Look at this. What? It's from Aussie. It's called Miracle Curls shampoo and conditioner. Oh my goodness. I already have so many shampoo and conditioner. So this is good for Bella. That's for sure, because she has super curly hair. Let's do one. So there it is. This is the conditioner. It's big. And then shampoo. It's made with coconut oil and avocado oil. So extra moisture shampoo for curly hair. Shampoo and conditioner. Ta-da! It's huge. It's very heavy. So that's the first one. Thank you, Influenster. Okay. Let's go with the second one. This one is very light. Oh. What is this? It's kind of like, oh, this is cute. Just Feed Me. Jesse James Decker. Dishwasher safe, top rack only, do not use in microwave. It's a wine glass. I think it's plastic. Again, it's from Jesse James Decker. Just Feed Me wine glass in red color. Cheers. Next one. So this one is another light. Oops. Huh. Bella loves popping this bubble wrap. First Aid Beauty. If you guys know, if you've heard of First Aid Beauty, this is actually a very, very good brand. You can buy this at Sephora. It says $40 value. Smooth skin body bestsellers. It's KP Bump Eraser. Body scrub. I like that. And then the other one is ingrown hair pads for body and face. Let's try to open it. It's full size actually. Oh wow. It is KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. It's a body scrub. Yes, if you know, you know. This brand is actually really good. Oops. So yeah, that's the third one. And next. This is very, very light. It's like nothing's inside. What is this? Whoa. This looks like it's big. What brand is this? Millie Bobby Brown. It's Mills by Millie Bobby Brown. Do you know who she is? Let me know if you know who she is. If not, she's from the Stranger Things. Huh. What size is this? Size medium. It's cute. I'm gonna try this. Let's see if it'll fit me, but if not, it's nice for in-house. Ultra stretch and soft. Feminine lace adjustable straps. Wear in or out. Oh. So you can wear this inside the house or you can wear it outside the house. Nice. Last but not the least, this one is a little heavy. It's a big one. Hmm. Ah! A lot of styro. Oh, what is this? It's a bowl. It's a bowl. Oh, it's heavy. Whoa. This is nice. This is so nice. It's decorative woven ceramic bowl. Better Homes and Gardens. I've seen this brand at Walmart. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so messy. Ta-da! This is cute, perfect for Easter. You can put like Easter eggs in here or fruits. Yay! This is pretty. I love it. You hear that? This is nice. I like this. These are everything that I got from Influencer this month. So what a fun way to kick off our April, right? So, see, I already used the bowl. It's handy. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.